Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my new card acquisition. One of my more ever single expensive card. But just before to show you my last acquisition, I want just that it's maybe a little silly, but in the last day I just discovered the one touch case. I collecting card ago many years, but for me it was really a revelation because I love my card. I love to watch it. But when your card is a one touch case, that's really increase my pleasure to look my collection. And now I get a one touch mania, and I want now nearly put all my favorite cards in some one touch case. And maybe I will try, maybe I will not be possible to put all my favorite cards in one touch case, but that is crazy. For example, it's a Matt Forte triple patch on with a case that it's I love. Another example is it's Antoine Roussel, French hockey player, and with a one touch case, but that it's crazy. I don't know the name in English, but decuplate or something like this. The pleasure of watching my favorite my PC card. Okay, great. Another example, it's in my last video. I show you a George Blanda card, and in a one touch case that is crazy. The look is amazing, and I love this one touch case. Great. Another example, it's my favorite. It's one of my best TTM router ever. It's about Greg Maddox, and when I watch my card in this case, that it's crazy nice. Now I will show you my last acquisition. It's a 3 card. Okay, firstly I buy this card. It's a Down Hampton number red 1990. Very happy with this. Great player. I love the patch. I discovered this series is the fabric of the game. It's what is the brand? It's Panini 2015. I just discovered this series, fabric of the game, used card. But just before to purchase this card, I make an offer to the German seller, and he don't accept my offer. He sent me another offer, and I was a little angry because I think that my offer was fair for this card, and like I was a little bit angry, I went to eBay.com, and for few bucks more, I was able to purchase a great player, and I will show you this card. It's a Walter Payton game jersey. Oh, I love this card, of course, because there is the game used, but also the scan of Walter Payton is so beautiful. And it's not a numbered card, but it's a Fleer 2002, and very happy about this. That's my first used card about relics about Walter Payton, this legendary player. And the shipping cost was very few bucks. I think it was $3. It's really it's incredible to cross the pond a solo shipping cost, because sometimes you only for single card you can pay $25, something like this. It's the same international eBay shipping cost. That is crazy. That's very happy to grab it. And like I was in a binge of purchases, in the same seller I see another very tremendous card. It's not this card, but uh, before the last purchase, my most expensive card was a Rick Harrison Auto about Pawn Star. I love this card. That's crazy. I very happy with this purchase. I paid this card about 45 or 50 bucks, something like this. And in the same seller was very cheap, very cheap in cost. I purchased my now it's my more expensive card ever, single card. It's a patch of three famous players: Jim McMahon, Walter Payton, Mike Singletary. Wow, that is crazy. Very happy to get this card. Maybe I overpay a little bit. I pay 60 bucks for this card. The shipping cost was $3, and very low for the shipping cost. And it's number red 250. It's a 2008 Donruss playoff, and I love this card. And now it's one of my best cards in my PC collection. Thank you for watching and happy collecting. Bye bye.